Question 20 is very similar to the ones we have done before. From, let's see which number, 3 to 5, especially for 3, right? It's very similar to 3. So I'm going to skip 20. Basically, you make a table, you pick X value from -3 to 3. You can pick -3, -2, -1, 0, 2, 1, 3. Then you evaluate the function values, f of x equals x squared. Then you use another color to graph x squared minus 2, right? So I'm going to skip 20. So basically, this helps you to see that's a transformation. So the second f of x, let me grab my pencil. So this f of x is a transformation of this one, 2 units down. Okay, let's see 21. 21, we're given this function as a graph, as this graph. So the question is asking the domain of the function, the range of the function, and f of 2 and f of 4. So domain of the function, we look from, let me erase this, we look from left to right. So the leftmost point is this point, right? Then the x value, the domain means the x value. And the rightmost point is this point. So we drop down to x-axis. And we see x value goes from 1 up to 4. And not including 1, not including 4, because of the open circle. So we use open parentheses and close parentheses. So this is the interval notation. So domain of this given function as a graph is from 1 to 4, not including 1, not including 4. We use open parentheses and close parentheses. So range, we look up and down. So look from the lowest point to the highest point. So what is the lowest point on the graph? That's this point, right? That's this point. The highest point is this point. So range goes vertically. And we see that is the lowest value, the y value, this value, the y value. So we see the lowest point has a y value of 2, including 2, because 2 is a solid dot, right? Up to 6, but not including 6, because the point x value to be 1, y value to be 6 is open circle. So that's the range. So from 2 up to 6, including 2, not including 6. The next question is to find f of 2. That means x value is 2. Let me use green color. So find 2, x value 2, x value 2 is here. So go to the graph. The corresponding value is 3. Right? So f of 2, so we see this point is 2, 3. Right? X equals to 2, and oops, f of x equals to 3. F of x, right? F of x is a y value. So f of 2 is 3. And then, oh, hold on a second, that's a 4. 2, hold on a second. I think I made a mistake. Let me erase this. Let me erase everything. So let me see the question again. Yeah, f of 2 and f of 4. Yes. So f of 2, we want to find f of 2, f of 4. Well, f of 2, right, the x value 2 is here. So go to the graph, we see the y value is 3. So f of 2, let's just write on the side. F of 2 is 3. Then f of 4. Well, f of 4 is here, but if we go up, we encounter the open circle. So even this point is 4, 3, but it's not on the graph. So what do we say about f of 4? We say f of 4 does not exist, DNE, because it's an open circle. Okay, that answers this question. Let's see 22. Working with functions, we can add them. We can add to functions. This means f of x plus g of x. We can subtract to functions. We can multiply to functions. We can divide to functions, provided the quotient is not, the divisor is not 0. Okay, let's see 8. So f is x squared plus 4. Then plus g is x minus 7. Then we simplify the like terms. The x squared plus x plus 4 minus 7, that's minus 3. Let's add those two functions. Subtracting is similarly. So f will have x squared plus 4. Now minus x minus 7. When we subtract two terms, more than one term, we put parentheses around it. Now we want to combine like terms. We want to get rid of the parentheses. X squared plus 4. Let's get rid of the parentheses first. Minus x minus negative 7 becomes plus 7. Then we simplify. So get x squared minus x plus 4 and 7 plus 11. Multiplication, we just multiply those two functions. X squared plus 4 times x minus 7. We have a binomial times a binomial, right? So multiply first with the first, x squared times x, we get x cubed. Then first times the second, x squared times negative 7, get negative 7, x squared. Then the second times the first, 4 times x, we get a 4x. Then second times second, 4 times negative 7, get a negative 28. So we get x cubed minus 7x squared plus 4x minus 28. We see that has no like terms, right? The first one is x raised by 3, degree 3, second one degree 2, third one degree 1, then the constant, which is a degree 0. So no like terms, that's it. And then we can also divide two functions. Right? So f is x squared plus 4 divided by g, which is x minus 7. Let me draw the line. And it cannot be simplified, right? The numerator is a sum of two squares. In real number system, cannot be factored. So it's a prime expression. And the denominator is also prime expression. And the numerator and denominator has no like common factors. So that's it. That's 22. 23. We want to rewrite each of this linear equation into slope-intercept form. Remember what's that? Slope-intercept form means y equals to some number times x, then plus some other number. So for the first one, we want to move x to the other side, right? Or same thing as subtracting x from both sides. So we get y equals to 4 minus x. But we want to write the x in front. So we write as y equals to negative x plus 4, because 4 is positive. So we can recognize the slope is negative 1. The y-intercept is 0, 0, 4. For B, maybe we want to move 6 to the other side. Then move y to this side, because y is negative. Y is negative when we move to the other side, become positive. 6 is positive when we move to the other side, becomes negative. So the second one, we get a y equals to 3x minus 6. Then let's see 3. 3, we want to move negative 15 to be with 3x. So we have 5y equals to 3x plus 15. Remember equation is different from inequality. So equation, we can switch the left-hand side and right-hand side. You see this 5y. So what did I do? So what I did is I just move this negative 15 to the other side. Negative, move to the other side, become positive. So I have 3x plus 15. So 3x plus 15 equals to 5y is exactly same as 5y equals to 3x plus 15 because it's an equal sign. Then I divide both sides by 5. So I get 3/5 of x. Then 15 divided by 5, I get 3. So the answer for C is y equals to 3/5, which is the slope, x plus 3. Let's see, last one. Last one, we do something similar. So negative 9y, let's move to the right. So we move 18 to the left. When we do that, we get a 6x minus 18 equals to 9y. Then we divide by 9 on both sides. So we have y equal 9y divided by 9 is 1y. Y equals to 6 divided by 9x minus 18 divided by 9. We simplify. 6 and 9 has a common factor of 3. So 6/9 is 2/3. The slope is 2/3x. 18 divided by 9 is 2. So D is y equals to 2/3x minus 2. That's 23. Let's see 24. Find the equation of the line between given 2 points. Okay, let's see A. And the right answer in slope-intercept format and graph each one. So let's say A. So first we need to find the slope. Remember, slope equals to rise over run, right? So we could call this 2, 4, first point. Right? We could call this x1, y1, x2, second point, x2, y2. So the slope is just y2 minus y1. In this case, it's a minus 4 divided by x2 minus x1, which is a 3 minus 2. Right. So 3 minus 2 is just 1. Anything divided by 1 is still anything. So a minus 4 is 4. 4 divided by 1 is just 4. So the slope is 4. Then we use one of the points, right? So now we have slope. So we use a slope point formula. So we pick the first one to work with. Y minus y1, y minus 4, equals to the slope, which is 4 times x minus 2. Then we simplify this. You get a y equals to 4x. 4 times -2 is -8. -8 plus 4 becomes +4. Then how do we graph this? We need intercept. We just need graph x-intercept, y-intercept. Let's pick some values for x. So if x is 0, 4 times 0 to be 0, so y equals 4. So I have, so let's see, this point is 4. I have this point on my graph. Then if y is 0, 4x plus 4 equals 0, so 4x equals -4. And x equals to, oh, hold on, that's not 4, 1. Oh, it is 4. For y is 4. But for x it's -1. So let's see, -1 is here, right? If y equals 0, x equals to -1. So I have these 2 points, I can graph my line. So my line goes through this point and this point. And that's it. That's the graph of y equals to 4x plus 4. Okay, similarly, for this one, right? So the slope equals to 5 minus -2, which becomes 5 plus 2, which becomes 7. So slope would be 7 divided by 2 minus -3, becomes 2 plus 3, becomes 5. So slope is 7/5. Then plug into a second point, y minus 5 equals to 7/5 times x minus 2. Right, then simplify. So you got a y equals to 7/5 of x, then 7/5 times -2, then plus 5. We have to do some calculation about this. So that's -14/5 plus 25/5. Well, -14 plus 25, that's positive 11. Okay, so we get plus 11/5. Oops. And that's it. Okay, I'll leave C for D and D for your, you finish yourself. Okay, we still have a couple more questions, but let's leave this later to finish later.